On to other news then. Kathmandu Metropolitan City Mayor Balendra Shah has resigned from his post to enter Nepal's parliamentary elections that is scheduled for 5th of March. Following his resignation on Sunday, Balendra Shah, also known as Balen, formally joined the Rashtriya Swatantrata Party led by Rabi Lamishane. The party has also announced that Balen is its prime ministerial candidate for the upcoming general election. Sources close to Balen say that he will contest from the Jhapa 5 constituency in eastern Nepal's Koshi province. He is said to take on KP Sharma Oli, the recently ousted Prime Minister. KP Sharma Oli stepped down on 9th of September last year after widespread protests led by Gen Z youth groups. The demonstrations were triggered by allegations of corruption against his government and its decision to impose a ban on social media platforms. In the aftermath of KP Sharma Oli's resignation, youth leaders had urged Balen to head the caretaker government. However, 35-year-old rapper turned politician had declined the offer, stating that he preferred to seek a full mandate by contesting the parliamentary election than lead an interim administration. Subsequently, former Chief Justice Sushila Karki was appointed as caretaker Prime Minister. Balendra Shah rose to prominence after winning the Kathmandu mayoral election in 2022 as an independent candidate with a decisive mandate. During his tenure, he earned recognition for initiating wide-ranging reforms and spearheading major beautification and urban management efforts in the capital. In fact, in his resignation letter, Balen had said that he had carried out his responsibilities as mayor with honesty and commitment, and also expressed hopes that the city's leadership would continue to ensure transparent governance, effective service delivery and result-oriented development in the future as well. And for more on this, our correspondent Saloni Murarka has sent us this report from Kathmandu.
Independent Kathmandu Mayor Balen Shah, who stunned traditional parties in the 2022 local elections, has stepped down from his position to contest in the March 5th parliamentary polls. Balen Shah's exit has cleared the way for his former political path. WION was the first to report that Balen Shah will be aligning with Rashtriya Swatantrata Party and also challenge former Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli from his home turf of Jhapa. And now Rashtriya Swatantrata Party has projected Balen Shah as their prime ministerial candidate, and Balen Shah has also begun his groundwork for the campaigning in Jhapa. It is undeniable that Balen Shah's rise has reshaped the Nepal's political discussion in Kathmandu. However, whether it will be a breakthrough moment or just a premature gamble for him, that will be decided on March 5th. I'm Saloni Murarka reporting for WION from Kathmandu, Nepal.